We're just testing some audio now because I am attempting to use my webcam's audio so that you can hear a little bit more. Like when I talk to Roy, it doesn't just sound like I'm talking to myself. So we'll see how it goes. He's testing it right now to see how it sounds. Hopefully, I will find out soon.
I am testing my voice.
Okay. So now he's going to see how he sounds. Also, I didn't really wear, like...
I can hear myself really well in that.
Okay, great. I didn't want to wear a headset because it made my hair look stupid. This is my new haircut, which I had last time, but it looks better without the headset. Anyway, I'm being vain. Don't worry about it. Right, okay. I'm going to go tweet and let everyone know that we're starting. And yeah, it's going to be fun today. We're going to be working on batteries some more, and we started that at the end of yesterday's stream, and then be finishing up the mortar train as well. So, just sending out the tweets. I gotta tweet them a bunch of times because I'm tweeting them both on my account and Founder Games account. So, yep. Oh, and I realized for yesterday's tweet that I sent out, I had not included a link to the stream. So, you know, I'm learning what I need to be doing. And do some game dev. Heart. Indie Devour. Link. Alright. And I gotta do the Facebooks as well. The books of the face. I'm not even gonna bother right now. I'm just gonna share. Okay, so to work, my friends. Right. Let's see. So where were we? So just now I'm actually working the mortar train. Not the batteries. My title is lying. But Roy said he's finished the explosion, or sorry, the crash animation, but he wants explosions added to it. So what I'm doing now is I am working on the multi-explosion script and tying it into the mortar train. Now, the problem I have at the moment is I'm thinking I was going to just trigger it whenever we triggered the animation for the so maybe Roy can help me resolve this. Roy, where, I mean, I guess you've already probably committed it, so I really should just grab your changes. Where on the mortar train is the animation located? He doesn't know I'm talking to him. Roy!
Yeah?
Where on the mortar train is the animation located? What's...
It's in the mover.
On the mover, okay, thank you. That's what I expected, and is also...
Sorry, I'm listening to the stream, but it's on like a 10-second delay.
Yes, I understand.
Battle Games just went live.
Battle Games did go live. We're live. It's true. It's happening right now. Okay, right. This is going to be a pain in the ass. Okay, so what I'm going to do is pause everything that I'm doing and actually get Roy's changes because I'm very silly for not doing that already. So what we've got here, we've been working on batteries. Not that. Batteries. These are all from the battery stuff. No, don't open it. No, don't. It's going to ask me a million times. Go away. Okay. Stage those. Let me grab, so what I like to do, as I mentioned, is grab the, don't look at my Twitter, it's a lie, it's not actually there, hide it. Oh, I need to toggle that I'm working. What am I doing, guys? This is terrible. Okay, so I've been working since 5, okay. So it's my time tracking. Right, okay, so what I want to grab is the batteries, task number and task name, and if we go back to here, no, there, yep, and I put that in, and we're going to say implemented new weapon actions and filters for battery. Okay, I'm not going to say more than that. Then here we are I probably shouldn't have pushed it. Okay, because I'm going to do it again. Right, all right. And then this one is not for the batteries. It's for the mortar train. So if I get out of here and I go, oh, that's not where I want to be. This is where I want to be. All right, so the mortar train. So if I grab this and I say, okay, so mortar train, and we add hooked up multi-explosion script for use with mortar train. Okay, good enough. Good enough. Good enough. Good enough. Okay. So now I need to grab Roy's stuff. So let's go over to his branch. Pull it. Okay. Okay, and then let's move back to mine and grab that. Yes. Fantastic. I was a little worried that we'd have a conflict because we were both working on the mortar train, but thankfully it seems to have merged without any effort. So, waha. Oh. Right. Okay, so let's not save because I've already committed everything and overridden it. I don't want to save anything on top of it. We'll break everything. What's up?
Sorry, if it hits yourself.
Oh. Roy's my watchdog. He's checking to make sure the stream isn't doing anything stupid. Okay, so let's see. We've got. All right, so our mortar train. Let's see. We have Roy's. No. Where's the animation?
Mover.
It's not there. I got no animation. Got animation on the sprite. That's the saw engine.
Mortar train. Saw engine mover.
Nope.
Really? What?
It's not there.
God damn it.
Got an animator on the train bed car.
Yeah.
But that's probably the wheels, right?
It should be mortar train crash.
No, I don't have that at all. It's not even in the folder for mortar train. Have I not? Maybe I've not. Maybe have you checked? You pushed. So what have we got? Hooked up. No, wait. Blah, 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 blah. Last thing I got from you is.
Oh, I didn't push it.
No, you don't pushed it. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. 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 All right, that's fine. So actually, we might still have problems. We'll find out. We'll find out shortly. Let's see that. Okay. No, it's fine. Right. No, I don't want this. Get rid of it. Discard. Actually, it won't matter. No, I'm going to discard anyway. I don't want it. Discard. All right, so let me know when that's pushed. Is that pushed?
No.
Push it. I couldn't tell if you could hear me or not. I should have turned around. It's bar. It's bar going across. Okay. It's a really not useful bar. It's not like an actual filled up bar. It's just moving.
There you go.
All right. Let's see. Pull. Yes. Give it here. Ba-da-ba-ba. It's slow, man. Why is it so slow? It's bizarre. Shouldn't be slow. Add new slip sync past music. The music was fine. It was slow. All right, let's get back down here. We're gonna merge you in. Merge conflict. Yeah. Okay, that's the problem. Right, it's prefab. So let's see what we can do. Maybe we can just fix this. So if we simply Right. Let's, I think it's just stupid. Let's just discard. Discard those lines. On contiguous, oh, come on. All right. Yeah. This is annoying. All right. Okay, was that the only problem? I don't see. Don't see any other conflicts. It was just that one component where two different components were added. All right, I think that's fine. So let's stage it. And commit. We'll see. My phone's bingly booping at me. I don't know why it is. Lots of nothing I care about. Right. Okay. Let's see how this has gone. So, oh, it's thinking. It's thinking very hard. Hello, Varnsick. Varnsick. Yeah. What were you called? Oh, I've forgotten already. What was it? What was Varnsick called? It was something Tim. Something. It was amazing. I don't remember what your name was. You're Jerry's friend, though. Okay. Let's reload. Missing prefab. All right, that's worrisome. Right, okay, we got a problem. So let's see. What have we done? What did we do that broke all the things? Can we take a look at the object? I don't understand why that broke it. Why'd that break? Why'd that break? Why'd that break? Oh, crap. Okay. Right. Sure. Right. I'm troubled by this. Okay. Because that doesn't seem like that should be broken. That seems perfectly fine. Can I open this? All right. Look. Can I? Where's? Okay.
Oh.
What's up?
Tactics, Tim.
Tactics, Tim. Varnsick. Tactics, Tim. Right. Okay. That cheers me up, given how broken this is. Right. I don't understand. What's the problem? What's the problem? I don't get it. Crap. Oh, dearie me. Okay, let me see what I can do. So can I just revert to Roy's version of this? Where is this? Give me this. Reset to commit. Just that bit. Yeah, can I do that? Can you do that for me? I would like that.
Hmm?
No, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the computer. What do you think I'm talking to you?
I never know.
All right. I don't think it did anything because I would have uncommitted changes. Can I refresh? Oh, no, I do. Okay. So it's okay. So let's just see now if this is gonna have not an issue. All right. So now that's been reverted, but the problem is it's not gonna have the stuff that I've done now. We still got the saw engine AI, which we don't want. We don't need any of this crap. So I'm gonna have to do my bit again. That's okay. All right. I knew this might happen. It's really a pain because it should have just worked. I really don't understand. So what's actually changed here? So this was removed. Hold on, let me just save. What has happened? All right, we've added loads of stuff. I don't want to try to work this out. We're just going to have to redo this. Okay, so mortar engine and mortar train AI. We got this. All right, now, we're going to have to redo everything. This is going to be a pain in the butt. Okay, that's fine. That's what happens. This is game dev, my friends. It's a giant butt pain at all times. All right, we've got nitro particles. We've got exhaust particles. No, we've got exhaust particles. We've got the mover, got to move the target. All right, so we've got the mover. We've got the animator. We've got mortars. Let's get, okay, hold on. Let's get our mortars. So if we go back to the train beds and we grab each of these little guys and we grab the weapon, and slap them in there. Okay, so now we got them. Let's turn off this before I get confused. And we got mortar fire spacing. We're going to do 0.5 seconds. Might need to be longer or shorter. I don't know. All right, on the defense, we got multi-explosion. We're going to add the multi-explosion. Defense needs to be background. We don't want to be able to shoot this thing. Okay. And now we need ranges. Pause duration is going to pause between 2 and 5 seconds. We're going to edit this later. This is not my job. And oh, I'm going to sneeze everywhere. Still got a cold. Still got a cold. I don't like it. It's coming. It's here somewhere. Right. That happened. All right. Movement of the, okay, so we got, let's see, what are we doing? You're here. No, mover. Right. Mover's gonna move. No. Is this right? Is this what I want? Yeah, okay, you're gonna go here. That's a, what? I'm not sure this is how I did this before. What did I do? Why is that way over there? What is this crap? Mover, go back to 0. All right. No. Right. Is this what I did before? Is this what I did? I don't know if this is what I did. I'm not sure if this is right. Right. No, because I need the absolute position because I'm using that, not relative position. So this is fine. So if I move this, all right, we've got the farthest over. That's going to be -1. Easy. Farthest back. Not very far back. Maybe here. That's -3. Can we do that? All right. And then, oh wait, I'm not actually putting it down. All right, -1. And then, snuffle. Way farthest forward, it could be like there. Okay, that's 8. Round numbers, people. And the farthest back we could have it be is like there. That's like 6. Beauteous. 6. All right, and then we're gonna put it over here. So that's like it. Oh, stupid. Okay, 10. It's out of the way. Okay. Oh, stubble. So now it's out of the way. I'm gonna see what this animation. This is animation play. Crashed everywhere. That's not gonna work right. Ah, you pain in the ass. Okay.
What did I do?
Well, I thought you were gonna animate the rock coming at it.
Oh yeah.
Well, actually, this is all right. So,
Just
what?
Imagine there's a rock.
What you're gonna have to do? No, what you could do is have the rock come, right?
Yeah.
Just as a separate graphic cue. Do you think you can time that up all right?
Mm-hmm.
This actually makes my life way easier.
So you just have a collision?
Huh?
You just have an actual collision?
No. I just mean, I'll trigger this at the time that you tell it to exit. And you just have to time that when the rock comes. But that means I can trigger the multi-explosion immediately. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. We're good. It's all good. Everything's fine. Right now it's just going to explode out of nowhere, but it's fine. Okay, so... Right. Alright, so that's good. Man, I got this all working, and now it's all wrong. I think it was pretty slow. We're going to leave it 1. Roy can play with this. I don't need to be the one who does this. He can do this. Because he's much better at this than me. Right, okay. What else do we need to do to get this working again? I think that's fine. Oh, I need to turn off all these guys. So these weapons... Weapon. They should not be auto-recharging now, because that's going to get turned on. Instance management disabled. Why would you do that to me? Okay. Right. What else do I need to do to get us back in the situation it was in? This is such a pain in the butt. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Not even a bit. We don't need any of this. Because it's not actually gonna do anything in that way. Okay, multi-explosion. So now we can just trigger it. So we can just say, alright, when it exits, we're gonna go explosions. Trigger. No, what did I call this? What did I say? Start explosions. Start them explosions, and that is all I need to do. Okay. Now I need to set up these explosions. Right now this is wrong. So explosion route is going to be the mover. Roy can play with this. I don't care right now. He can make it look pretty. That's his job, not my job. Alright, so let's apply this. Let's get all this stuff out of here. It doesn't need to be here right now. And if we go down to the test level, where's my level? At level enemy testing. Everything on enemy. It's my level editor. This does not need to be here. We're gonna go to the mortar train object. Bugger. Why is it not? You know what I want? Unity. You listening? I want like back buttons on the inspector up here. That'd be amazing. I'm just probably an editor mod that does that. But it's really annoying because I was like, oh, I accidentally clicked something. I don't want this to be what I have selected. Go back to the other thing. Not a way to do it right now. So, right, that's really obnoxious. Testing, enemy testing. Now, can we go back to the level? And let's just lock it. And now we go to mortar, train, objects. All right, so throw that object there. And we're going to have an exit time. I'm going to give it like 20 seconds. So it's going to sit there for a while and fire. Maybe not that long. Maybe 15 seconds. 10 seconds. No, 15. Oh, that's fine. All right, so theoretically, stuff's going to happen now. I don't know. That list is not tested. We'll see how this works. Get out of here. Everything. I'm going to make this bigger. All right. Oh, it's going to be noisy. I'm going to turn it down. I don't want noise. All right. So he's kind of, all right. So why is one of them not there? He's not, that's peculiar. Why is he moving? Something's wrong. Right. Okay. Shit's broke. There's some shit broke. All right. Let's see.
I have a parameter for the animation called crash, which is a trigger.
Oh, I need to fix that. All right. That's true. That's fine. That's just me. Right, okay. What is going on with that mortar? He shouldn't be moving. He shouldn't be moving. None of these mortars should be moving. Why are they moving? Yeah, let's just get rid of that. So there's no way that that will happen. Remove component. They are not animating. They are not disabling. They are not doing anything. All right. It's still happening. What's going on there? That's really strange. These mortars must have some here pattern movement AI. We don't want that. Y'all mortars don't need that. Also, I didn't apply this, which is why nothing happened there. It didn't get fixed. Probably would have fixed it. All right. It's because something was finding components, and I don't know. But anyway, it's fine now. So there we go. He's going across now. I think I was able to shoot him though. Maybe, I don't know. Like he just died, and it was weird. Yeah. Why did he explode? Why did that happen? Like, he shouldn't be exploding. There's no exploding that should be happening on this saw engine. He's in the background. He's an enemy in the background. He shouldn't be hitting anything. Not this again. Why is he dying? Please don't die, saw engine. No, it's gonna be two of them. That's too much. All right. I think he's just hitting his exit state. All right, let's see what happens if I don't do that. So, what am I doing? I can level from here, can't I? That's a little bit easier. All right, so what if I don't give him an exit time? Will he still explode? That's the question. Doesn't look like he's exploding, so that must have just been his exit time. So it's doing something wrong. That's my fault though. That's because I've not changed this. Okay, so that's fine. It's starting to look alright actually. So if we do, if I go to the, where is this? This will be, I want to see the animator on the mover. Okay, so it's called marking trash. We don't have a, let's create state MC. No. Can we, yeah. Yeah. No, fixed duration. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. So what I'm doing here is some more train crash is what it's called. Right, okay, so I've got these, it's not called the right things. That's all the problem. Oh, you're not letting me copy paste, you piece of, oh, Unity, why have you hidden? All right, this is really annoying. Sometimes mod developers doesn't let you copy paste. I'm going to just train crash, or maybe I didn't copy. I don't know. It's probably my fault, not mod developer's fault. You know, whatever. All right, so this is more train crash and crash now. This maybe should work now. Let's see. Ba, 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 ba. I did the bad thing again. Do not want two of them. Okay. Oh, but I want to actually. Okay, I'm not seeing. How many things must I do? All right, so 15 was way too soon. Let's do 30 seconds. Okay, so that gives it some time. I actually can I have my debug panel? Why is that not showing? Can I show my debug panel? No. Why is it? Why can't I? What's happening here? Oh, because of it's a different spot. Okay, Q debug panel. Is it somewhere? Q tester? No. Is that it? No. Debug timer panel. Gotcha. Okay, so now I should see what time it is. So this should help me to know when that thing is supposed to exit. Can we make this big? I can't see what's going on here. All right, so we got to defend the train. This guy's coming along. Rocks are good to deal with mortars. All right. We got 10 seconds still. Oh, he's moving. All right. He's going to blow up in a second here. There he goes. All right, now that's still wrong. So he's not done what he's meant to do. He just instantly disappeared. So let's get some logs in to try to figure out what's going on. So we should be hitting this exit. Oh, do I need an override? I don't think I do. What do I need if I'm doing no. It doesn't need an override. Right, okay, because what I'm doing here, I'm implementing an interface exit handler. Enumerator exit, right? Okay, so this should fine. This should be fine. Right, so let's just do debug.log mortar train exit. Okay. Exit finished. We'll do started. All right, so and let's just do timestamp. Does this have timestamp? No, that'd be like useful, but I don't think it actually does do timestamps by default. That'd be useful. Okay, so we got time, and we'll do the same thing here. And then we can see what happens. This should take some time to finish, and essentially we should say waiting. Maybe I need to wait a frame, because it's actually not going to go directly into that. I think that might be a problem. We'll wait. That's probably the issue. This might actually fix it immediately, but we'll leave the logs in. We'll see what happens. Okay. Ba, 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 ba. Bloop. Bloop. We got Z fighting on these things. I don't know how this is going to work. I don't like that there's Z fighting. Hey! Hey! That's pretty rad, man. Alright, a question is whether or not it correctly disables itself. Did it? It did? Flawless. Flawless, my friends. Okay. I'm satisfied. That's good. It's done. Right, okay. I'm chuffed now. That's working. Okay, so the exact parameters of the explosion, something for Roy to fiddle with, and the point is it looks rad. So yay. Okay, let's get this all committed. Stage everything. Commit. Let's just hold on. I never trust this. It doesn't always save the things that I wanted to save. And let's just make sure we got everything. Is there anything in the framework that's changed? Doesn't look like it. Okay. Let's grab this name. Oh. I'm so hungry, you guys. I can't handle it.
Oh yeah.
You make me a sandwich?
Yeah.
My husband's making me a sandwich. I'm really excited to eat this. I'm going to eat it on stream. It's going to be gross, and you guys are going to have to deal with me sitting here chomping on a sandwich. We're having food soon, but I can't wait. I haven't had any lunch. I slept most of the day. I'm sick. I'm trying to get better because I got an interview on Thursday. Ah! Don't mess up my hair! So I got an interview on Thursday, so I'm trying to sleep a lot, rest a lot, but I also have a lot of work to do. So we're showing this game. If anyone's in Dundee, we're showing this game on Saturday in Dundee, Scotland, at DCon. So come by, see us. Yay. We're also going to be on Friday, we're going to be attending the Arcadia conference in Dundee. We're not showing the game because we applied way too late. But we got friends who are showing their games at the warehouse party that night. We're going to be going. It's going to be fun. So you should come to that too and support having a local conference in Dundee because it's really cool and the organizers are really nice people. Yeah, so come to that. Sorry, a little side plug there. Okay, so anyway, mortar train. All right, so we've got. Why is lumber projectiles here? Go away. I don't need you. It's because something changed and they've got a new sorting layer or some crap. It's really annoying because Unity saves both the sorting layer ID and the sorting layer like numerical order. And so when you change a sorting layer by ID, it will correctly update all of the references. Like, sorry, if you change the sorting layer's order, it will go through and update everything. But the problem is it will literally need to change their data. And it's super obnoxious. Hey! It's Akash! Akash is here! And yes, I was going on about Arcadia. I hope it's gonna be fun. I'm going to go, so it should be interesting. Is this the first year that they've had it? I don't know actually, but yeah. Anyway, so yeah, the sorting layer has to get updated in the save file for everything, and it's really obnoxious when it happens. Okay, so we got mortar trains. Mortar trains exist. All right, so so what have we done? We have hooked up mortar train crash animation and explosions and fixed the prefab. Maybe I should have that. Fixed mortar train prefab that I broke. Right, okay, that's fine. And I'm going to separately do these. Oh, why did I push the changes? I have to push twice now. First ever. Awesome. Okay, so that's really cool. I'm looking forward to seeing how it goes. Because we need more stuff in Dundee. I travel as much as I can to different events, but it's expensive and I'm poor. So you won't be there. Are you busy? You got work on Friday, don't you? Anyway. Alright, lumber. This is just sorting layer update. Blah. Alright, that's good enough. Okay. Oh god, I'm hungry. I'm so glad Roy's making me a sandwich. I'm so lucky. I've got a great husband. Okay. BRB. Alright, I'll talk to you in a bit. So, let's see. What am I doing? I don't know. I'm always so confused. Right, okay. So that's done. Fantastic. Mortar train checked off, basically. My part's done anyway. It hits things. It explodes. There wasn't a rock, but it's close enough. Done. Done. Roy does the rest. I don't care anymore. Oh, I need to see how long I worked on it. So yesterday, I worked on the mortar train for 3 hours and 9 minutes. And today, I worked on it for another 39 minutes. So 3 hours and 3 hours and 58. I don't know if that's right. 48 minutes, whatever, close enough. Doesn't really matter. Math. I'm good at math, actually, just not basic arithmetic. Don't question me. All right, I don't want to think too hard right now. So batteries is what we're moving on to. Batteries. Okay. So yesterday, I actually think I basically finished these batteries. So I need this test profile. Let's see. Let's put batteries in. Now the question is, the batteries are there? Is their definition file set up? Let's find out. So we got batteries definition file, links to the objects. We got some rewards in here. I don't think this is right though. Let's check. All right, so we got batteries. Let's go to the. I think there was more rewards than that. Loading game design model. All right, Thunder Lung and Copper Rod. So it's not just Copper Rod. It's also Thunder Lung is an optional reward, and they're worth 112. So let's see what we've got. Let's add Thunder Lung. Thunder! Oh, damn it. All right. Where's... why is it not a back button? It upsets me so... oh, so very much. Batteries. Alright. Let's just stay. Don't let me stupidly click away from you again. And, alright, so where's my Copper Rod and Thunder Lung? Thunder Lung is here. Value is not 5. That is not correct. Alright, so we want value 112. Right, okay. Hey, welcome back, Akash. Alright, so... right. That's little. It was good enough anyway. So that's working. Let's not do that. Snuffle. Right. Okay. So now we should have them in our cart. Will we? Yeah. Can I throw them? Oh, I don't know if this looks a little silly. I think it's throwing coal. Is it throwing coal? No, it's throwing batteries. It's got a coal trail on it. I'll fix that later. That didn't work. It didn't work. I wanted it to just instantly work perfectly, but it ain't. All right, so let's, first of all, I got a lot of spam here. Can we not? Well, actually, same thing. All right, acquiring melee attacks. All right, also that's a lot of spam. Let's not do that. That's gonna make things hard. Okay, I need. Oh. So what's happening? I'm wondering. So look at me, this batteries projectile. It's hitting the thing. I'm wondering if. No, because that. All right, let me just get the mortar. It might be something to do with this mortar. Mortar. I don't trust the mortars. I think they are not the most basic of enemies. So sometimes there's bugs that aren't the fault of the new thing. It's the fault of the mortar. So I don't know for sure. So this is the weapon on a mortar. The weapon. It can target projectiles. No. Let's not do that. I think that's the problem. So I think the mortar was blowing up on the battery rather than the battery blowing up the mortar, which is what should have happened. So let's see if this does what I want it to. Oh god, there's a mortar just there. Let's not do that. Go away. I don't need you. There's a battery just up there too, but it's fine. Alright, I need to fix that. Spawning here, puffing a little bit of smoke, and then going over there is not correct either. Alright, so... okay, now we got a problem that it's like going on infinitely, which is not... It's still not doing what we want. Alright, we've got errors. That's probably what's actually the problem here. So... weapon target... Okay, so acquisition. Okay, so I think the problem is I've got filters, but alright, so let's just see. I think we just need to have all. That's okay, I think that's a problem. So if we go over to batteries, we got our weapon, we got our sub weapon on here. We got a type filter, but we don't have an initial way of grabbing a big list of targets. That's a problem. So if we do weapon target all, and we drag that mofo up here, that's going to be the problem that we had. Okay, so but then secondly, this does need to, it does detonate itself, so that it just wasn't because it was hitting an error and killing that like chain of stuff. I hope. Okay. All right, so I don't see the visual. Oh no, I do. Okay, hold on. It's just really hard to see. Can we make this big? No, now everything's broken. Why? It was working. All right, let's just try it. Let's try again. I smell food. All right, so the visuals are a little bit wrong. And it's not always working. It sometimes works. I think it's because I put this is quite small, this radius. Let's see. Okay, so if I change this radius, so right now we got a chain distance. 3 isn't that small. Okay, let's put it massive. All right, this is going to chain to every enemy. Okay, so 10. Right, all right, let's try this. I think that was it. So it was working correctly. That's actually good that we saw. So it wasn't chaining whenever they were too far away. It was only chaining whenever they were close together. So only whenever the guy was moving in this direction. Okay, we got, now I do see an effect happening, but it doesn't seem to be quite right. It only seems to be zapping the back. Oh, I hit that battery that was just sat there. Okay, all right, so well, we got progress. This is good. I'm so hungry. Oh, I'm so distracted by the food smell that I can smell coming from the kitchen right now. Okay, so it's tracer rounds. What's up, buddy? Why are you not working? Okay, so we should be in chain mode, because I did I added this for the Tesla coil a couple days ago. So all right, right. We're in chain mode.
Oh yeah. It's in the grill.
He walked in here and was like, "Hi," and I'm like, "I smell food. Where's the food?" I'm hangry. I'll use that to excuse my demanding behavior. Okay. This is bad though, because it's gonna ruin my dinner. Oh well. Dinner's up for another hour. I won't survive. I won't survive till then. I can't like concentrate on my work or anything. I'm so hungry. Okay. Right. As is proved by this lack of concentration. Something's happening, so it seems like, let's just do this. I want to see how many of these get spawned, which means I don't really want this to be maximized. Let's just make it smaller. I want to try to see how many of these, because we should see several of these tracers, and I'm only seeing the one, or they're like way up there. I don't understand. So we got a tracer, and it's only one. Only one tracer getting spawned. That's weird. Okay, so let's see what's happening. Let's log. All right, so let's is it really only adding one? Why would it do that? Is this? I don't understand. Also, I don't want this. We'll just turn this off for now. It's ugly. I don't understand why it would only be having one of these. Something bizarre is happening. Yeah, we've only had the one lighting tracer. If I type in, no, right, what do we got? Batteries, projectile, what? Okay. What? 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 Okay, so we've got a couple of these. So where is this? Up there. Why do we have this Tesla coil one? Is it just something that I have in the scene? Okay, that's the problem. Let's just get rid of that. That's confusing me. I don't know where that Tesla ones come from. Is this using Tesla? What am I doing? What's this? Delete this. Okay, hold on. Oh god, this smells great. Oh, I'm gonna eat it right now. I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna eat on stream. Alright. I got confused. Okay, so batteries, projectile, inside here, we got this. Alright. So that's currently using the Tesla coil lighting tracer. That's fine. We'll change that later, but it's fine for now. So what we should actually be seeing is the Tesla coil one. What am I doing now? Don't do that, Sarah. So so we only have one. Okay. But according to our script, we should be doing an instantiate for every oh, wait a minute. Ha. Alright, hold on. Right. No. That's yes. Okay. Yes. I see the problem. The question is, because I'm pretty sure this worked for the Tesla coil, but why does it stop working? But right now we're getting this. See, this is the problem. So what we want is we gotta instantiate this every time, rather than just doing it once. We need multiple of these things. So I think the Tesla coil one was not working and I didn't notice. That's all I can think of, because that's wrong. Because we should have been seeing only one. Let's see what happens now. Yeah, man. All right. That's good. That's working. Sexy. Battery's done.
Right.
Basically. Okay, now what? By the way, welcome, Mr. Nicoli. I'm really bad about noticing when people are coming in on the stream. I'm sorry, you're going to sit here and listen to me eat. I'm starving. I can't wait. All right, so let's save this. Oh, he's left. Sorry, Mr. Nickley. I scared you away. I don't know, maybe I shouldn't call out people. I've seen other people do that, so I'm like, oh, well, I'll try it, but many people want to lurk, you know. I don't want to be brought attention to themselves. Okay. What? What's this? What have I done here? I didn't do anything there. Yes, I did. I did do something there. That's fine. That's good. Okay, so let's get back over here. All right, mortar no longer targets projectiles. Batteries, chain effect working, added target, all to battery. To correct initial list of targets. Okay. And actually, let's not do this. That's fine. Okay. Oh. Why? Why'd that happen? I don't know. Weapon tracer round. Spawn multiple tracers when chaining. Okay. All right, that's fine. Okay. Let's see. So, programming, we're done with that. So let's go ahead and stop. Okay, we got 39 minutes yesterday, 18 minutes today. That's 57 minutes. So let's, what on earth has happened here? Let's just redo that. How much did I say? I guess I said 57 minutes. I've already forgotten. All right. Passengers, I think, is what we're gonna do next, because I think this is not a great way to look at this. All right, so passengers and chickens. Chickens, let's do chickens. That sounds way more fun than passengers. Okay, chickens. All right, off. I forgot about chickens, man.
Yeah.
I should update this. We're not doing batteries now. We're doing chickens.
The same thing.
Chicken, they're not the same thing.
Battery chickens.
All right. Chickens. All right, so we got chickens. Let's check these chickens. All right, so we've already done some stuff with this. I guess this one's going to take a lot of effort because it's kind of special. It's pretty cute, though. All right, chickens object. Let's get these out of here. Go. We'll say not the carriage. Go away, everything else. All right, chickens object. Chickens projectile. Okay. Where's the actual chickens? Here we go. All right, so what do we got? These chickens. Oh, I need to like say what I'm doing here. I got to say what I'm doing. All right, so chickens. We stopped at 558. Not no project. We're doing armored engines. Programming. Okay. Chickens. Value 54. Reward tasty ration. Oh no. Chickens are being turned into rations. Not set up already. Good. Vengeful chickens. Territorial chickens. You changed the text. Okay.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Stuffle. Okay. Chickens, chickens, we got chickens. Alright. So, let me figure out what these chickens need. I think I need a lot of stuff. Three shots. 5 chickens. Oh, this is different than I remember. Help.
Oh?
5 chickens at once?
Yeah. I think we changed it from firing one at a time, like the lumber does. Instead, it's a flock attack. And you just fire off as many as you have at once. I'm sorry.
Okay, so I have to code flocking.
No. It's still, what you will need to code is, I'm homing on this target. My target is dead in transit. I need a new target.
Okay, they already have something like that, but I can change that.
That's fine.
Okay, but this says fires burst of 3 shots in a straight line. And then it says fire activation fires 5 chickens that home in on the closest target. What does that mean?
I think the first shot is a copy pasta.
So you just screwed up.
Yes.
So what happens exactly? Do all the chickens that are currently there go? And they slowly come back?
I think...
So 5 does seem to be the amount that you've said.
Yeah, there's 5. No, there's 6. There's 6 chickens on the cart.
So you want 6.
Let's see.
There are 6 chickens on the cart. So you want all chickens on the cart to fire. Is it that you want... Now, do all the chickens come back at the same time, or is it like charges? Like, does it fire all the charges you currently have?
Yes.
But what if you have less charges? Can you still fire it and have less chickens?
Yes.
Okay. That's not what it says at all, so you gotta write that stuff down next time.
Mostly because I'm indecisive.
So, what does it mean over the course of 1 second? Like, when you fling it?
Let me go find out what you're talking about. Where is this stupid hacking plan?
Sorry. You gotta be really, really spell it out for programmers, because we don't know what the fuck you mean.
Well, I don't know what the fuck I mean. I'm being dumb. Look at all those green bars. That's cool.
Green bars! That means things are done.
Look at it. That's our progress over all of the game.
Rad. That's because not all the tasks for all the game are there. Really, those would be like really tiny if all the tasks were in.
Yeah. Alright, where are you?
Alright, okay. I'm glad that you are that into listening to us bicker about how things aren't in the design doc. Enjoy cleaning up the kitchen.
Come on.
Thank you for the sandwich, by the way. I really
Tiny
appreciate it.
bites.
I was starving.
Okay. Was it good?
It was very good, thank you.
You may have thought it looked burnt on the other side, but that's just because bits of old bacon were stuck to it.
Yeah, it was a little bit
Charred
carbonite,
bacon.
charred. Well, it was a little charred taste on the bottom too. So maybe next time we'll clean that out a bit before use.
Also, I don't know if the top part of the grill is working.
It might be broken. I don't know. Don't say that. I don't want to deal with broken stuff. I've got too much stuff going on already.
Alright, chickens.
Chickens.
Fires 5. Nope. Fires 6 chickens.
Okay, I will cancel my edits then.
Damage is slash.
Yeah, because they're like slashing with their claws and beaks and stuff.
12.
12 each? That can be edited later. Don't worry about that.
So, yes, I see you saying here 6 chickens over the course of 1 second. So when you fire, it's not all 6 chickens that go up. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's like.
Won't that feel strange on mobile though?
Why?
Because you're flinging, but you fling, and then more things happen after you fling.
Yes.
You don't think that'll be weird?
No, it's chicken. Chickens aren't going to listen to you.
Rationale. It's chickens. Okay, that's fine. If you think it's fine with me. Okay. Right, alright. So finish your edit so that I can write down this stuff so I understand what is going on.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna refresh because otherwise I'm worried it's not gonna have the right thing. All right, let's see here. Okay, recharge rate 4 seconds. Is that 4 seconds per chicken?
Yes. So when I should probably write this down, but when a chicken flies off, it will spawn an egg behind.
Right.
And the egg will sit there.
Mm-hmm.
And then those eggs will hatch one at a time. So after 4 seconds, first egg hatches.
Yeah.
After 8 seconds, the next egg hatches, that kind of thing.
All right, cool. That's fine. That's easy. Well, it's not easy, but I'm sure I can figure it out. Yeah. Okay. All right. So let me see here. So what I want. Let's just get this working. So fire sequence of all current charges. That would be a new weapon script, I think. I don't think I can do that with my current setup. Okay. Recharge animation for eggs. I might be able to do that with the current script. We'll see. Now, are these chickens supposed to be randomly colored as well?
Yes. Do you need those color codes, or is it that are their chickens colored in the game?
No, they're white. I'll need the color codes.
Okay.
Eventually. It's not a rush, though. I've got plenty to do. This is going to be a long one, I think. Much longer. The batteries were so fast.
Nice.
The only thing with the batteries is I didn't set up I just had them use the Tesla coils tracer round for now. You can set up the tracer round how you want it to look later.
Like just the color.
color, and what you can choose parameters like how fat it is and how wide the lightning zaps are.
Okay.
But you probably want to be smaller on the battery because it doesn't go as far, so it looks weird having the big lightning zaps.
Yeah.
Oh, and wasn't sure the range on the battery. The battery's chain. So I left that. I put it like really big right now just for testing, but
Okay.
you'll have to
Figure it out.
Yeah, adjust that later. And like the speed of the mortar and the rate of fire of the mortars for the mortar train. That you'll need all that too. That's all something you'll have to fiddle with.
Yep.
Okay. Chickens. Homing behavior. I think there's a existing one of that just needs. We'll just need more work done on it. My hair is just not behaving. Do what I want. Do what I want. I want a mohawk. There we go. I look amazing. All right, so chickens. So I think the biggest change is actually going to be this fire sequence, and then matching these chicken color stuff might be a little bit of a pain in the poop, but I can probably get that working. Okay. What else do these chickens need? When they hit, they're supposed to explode in feathers. Is that right?
Yes.
I think that'll be pretty easy to get working with existing stuff, but I'm just gonna add it there anyway. Oh, it's gonna be pain. Okay, it's fine.
I hope this doesn't count as animal cruelty.
It kind of does.
These are vengeful warrior chickens.
They're territorial chickens.
Yeah.
You remove the vengeful word from the text. But I think the chickens are, chickens aren't going to do something they don't want to do. So, they want to chase down these things.
Yeah.
They're leaving behind their progeny to carry on their mission.
There will always be a chicken.
But yeah, PETA might come after us.
Well, PETA's a... I was going to say anything.
Note, we are semi-vegetarians. We don't like PETA though. They're not nice. They're not good. All right, let's just go over that. Let's skip over this semi-political talk. That's not great. Okay. All right. So chickens, man. Right. So I think this is pretty old. I'm gonna have to update this stuff. So let's get Cole out here. My default, like, this is how it's done. So now we need to update this text because I want it to be really clear what everything is. Alright, we've got an old weapon. We might just end up, I change my mind. Let's copy this. Put this there. Inside here. Chickens! Alright. And then chickens. There. Okay, so that's just the naming conventions all updated. We need this controller. There we go. Oh. Oh my gosh. I'm tired of being sick. I'm ready for it to not be a thing anymore. Okay. All right. So we got chickens. What I actually want to look at is the lumber, because that's going to actually be the closest that we've got to the chickens. So let me actually delete this. Let's just get the lumber one in here. Okay. So if we get this in here, why is it zoomed so far out? Don't do that to me. All right. Let's get that applied. All right, so we're gonna have a lot of stuff here that's not gonna work at the moment. Okay, so weapon ammo animator. I am not sure how I want to do this, so I need to see how Roy's done this. So we got chicken idle, chicken head swivel, chicken tail quiver. These things I'm meant to be triggering. All these random little animations. Looks like I am. Roy, how does the chicken spawn? Do you have an animation for it?
Let me have a look.
A chicken egg appear and chicken egg wobble. We do not have a chicken appear.
We do. We have chicken egg appear, you're right. Whoops. Let me have a look.
I notice you have all these idle things. That's fine, but these chickens are gonna be cute. Let's look at one. Let's just see what it looks like, guys. It's idle. Doesn't do anything. Just little tail. Its head looks around. Flutters its wings. Different head look. Bounce.
So they'll randomly cycle through all these animations?
I'm assuming that's what you wanted me to do. I have not set it up yet, so I need to add that to my list, actually. Add it to the pile, add it to the stack. Here among the sewer rats, just one breath away from hell. Sorry. This is lame as it just happens sometimes. You just break into song. Okay, right. Okay, so randomly trigger chicken idle animations. Okay. Oh, my singing made someone leave. Fine. We don't want you to watch if you don't like my singing. Okay.
They're still here. They just haven't done anything for a while.
No. Necronicles has parted, it says.
But we have 3 years.
Yeah, Varnsnick, you, and Deva.
But it says we have 2.
I don't know, okay? Maybe Necronicles is still here, and I'm just saying that he's gone. According to my IRC, he has parted from our stream.
Well, come back soon.
And it happened shortly after I burst into song. Therefore, I assume he did not appreciate my very loud, obnoxious singing. Anyway, is there any animation? Are you working on animation for these chickens now? For them appearing? Thank you.
You're welcome.
God. My husband is obnoxious. All right, so how does a lumber do it? So we got lumber. it actually animates them all within there. Man! Ah, go away, bug. Oh, bother. Is the egg just going to be constantly wobbling?
Yep.
Let's turn on an egg. Let's see what it looks like. It's just, oh, it's cute. Okay. All right. Okay, Roy. It might be easiest if this animation was done for these chickens appearing and stuff. Well, I'll just do it for one, it's fine. And then I can trigger it. Yeah, that's probably the easiest. Do you want me to do it?
Sorry?
Do you want me to just do this? Because it's just going to like scale in, right?
Oh, I was in the middle of doing it.
Okay, we'll just do it then. Hurry up. So, and do you want particles to go with like the egg shells like we did for off a pillar?
I should have had eggshells in here.
Okay, so you haven't set up the particle system for it, so.
I saw the eggshells in here.
Particles when egg hatches. Okay. A lot of stuff for these chickens, man. They're going to be cute, though. I'm really excited for them. And this is our last piece of cargo. So once this is done, that will actually our last piece of cargo, then we need 2 passengers. The passengers are passive. This is the first time we've had them, so they may take a little while to do. This is not going to get done by Saturday. I don't think there's any way. So probably if you come see us on Saturday for decon, we're going to have our older build that just has up to Slip Snake Pass. It's not going to have Badlands yet, unfortunately. Because life's been busy, guys. It's been very busy. I've not had time for this stuff. I've been spending time preparing for my interview. I still got to do more stuff for it. I'm really excited. Really hope I get it. This job. If not, there'll be other ones. I want to try to get a job as a teacher because it's so much. It's just, I think it's going to be what I want to do.
How's that?
How's what? Oh, okay. What? Why is it like...
So it goes...
Okay. It kind of feels like it's coming out like too high.
Let's make that 0.4. So the egg cracks.
Yeah, now it looks like it's coming out of the egg. Okay, you should put those eggs on in front of the, or I don't know. Maybe it doesn't matter. I don't know. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Don't worry about it, because I'll put the shells in front.
Yep.
It's gonna happen quickly. People aren't gonna see anything.
They better not see anything.
Okay.
All right. Where's those chickens? I can put those chickens.
Oh, okay. All right, chickens, Sarah. Focus. Chickens. Chickens are here. All right, I want Roy's animations. I'm going to try to figure out how this recharge is going to work before I do anything else.
He's gone.
Because that's where my brain is right now. Okay, so what have we got? Let's save. Let's save all of the things. Save scene, save project. Oh, I'm getting donged. What do you want? I'm getting dongs all over the place. I don't want this. Go away. I just realized that sounded really inappropriate. I apologize. All right. Chickens. So what have you got? That's nothing. Okay. All right. I've updated these chickens a bit. Let's grab the name. Number 36. This is an old task, man. Okay. Updated chicken prefab hierarchy to match typical cargo, chicken, weapon, copied from lumber for now, and chicken, chicken, asset, chicken, scriptable object updated to match design doc. Remove log spam melee targeting and Sarah test scene update. These need to be detailed. All right. Bong, 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 bong. Now, yes, so I was going over here. I was doing that. It's like, oh, Roy's. You pushed it?
Yep.
Pull.
Yep.
He wasn't sure.
I was not sure.
Whatever. All right. So let's grab that. Okay, so these chickens. So now that's just added to the chicken object, did you? Okay, and you didn't actually hook it up at all. All right, you're a pain in the butt. That's fine. I'll do it.
But
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's just perfectly fine.
I am the bratwurst.
All right, and then, all right, what do we actually want is we want these chickens. This is going to be, that will be enter, yeah, the entry state. We also need a chicken. Where are you, chicken? That's not a chicken, that's a basket. Chicken idle. All right, chicken, you're going to be also have a chicken. Oh, for Pete's sake. Okay. Oh, nope. Items, cargo, chickens, animations. All right, we got chicken, chicken gone, chicken empty. All right, his chicken is not there. Now the chicken appear. We got a scale. Starts it. Let's just go chicken empty. For chicken empty, it's just going to have a scale of 0. That's all we're going to do. All right, so chicken empty. So we can make a transition. We got transitions. So now we're gonna have parameter or no. What do we want here? For now, we're gonna make it a Boolean. This may change. We need to change this maybe, but for now, Boolean. No, we're gonna add it. Sorry, add a Boolean. All right. Charged. All right, as the chicken is ready to go. This is going to start off true. Okay, so this transition is going to not have an exit time. None. And instead we're going to say when the chicken is charged. When it's charged. And here we're going to have this chicken is going to vanish when this chicken is not charged. Not chicken wing. When it is not charged. It's going to just disappear instantly because it's going to be spawned as a thing and fly. So, how are we going to do this? Right, okay, so snuffle is what we're going to do. We're going to snuffle all over the snuffle. Okay, so chickens. So that's fine. So now we're still going to start here. That's good. All right. So now the eggs, they're going to do the same thing. And I think they're gonna all be turned on. This is not going to have it. They're not going to be like this. So each egg is going to have a chicken, egg, empty. It's going to have a scale. And that scale is going to be 0. Okay, and that's actually going to be the default state because these eggs are not going to be present at the beginning. And then we're also going to have a Boolean here. And that's going to be charged. All right, and when charged becomes false, that's when the egg appears. So charged is false. And then when charged becomes true, that's when the egg will vanish. Okay. Okay. We do not have exit time there. No, only here. Right, okay. Let's go back to chickens and make sure we've done that correctly here. So okay, so we don't want exit time. No exit time. This one has an exit time because it's appearing. Okay, yes. Okay, so now we have these Booleans set up. Oh, and the chicken egg, it should start not charged. Okay, right, that's, no, it should be charged true. So will not immediately go into appearing. Okay, charged is true on all these eggs. Okay, now we need to hook this up to the weapon. And that is not set up to do that right now. So I don't know what I'm going to do yet. So one way to do this, I don't know, I feel almost like we want to just add this as a separate way to do things. Oops, this is chicken controller. So right now our ammo animation, oh god, ammo animation, animation. Right now it uses this kind of thing where you've just got ammo as a count. And it goes up, doop, 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 doop. But that assumes all the animation is done in a single controller, whereas this is done in many small controllers. So that's not going to work. What I might do is make a new, maybe mode for the ammo animation controller. And so rather than, where is it? I got way too many things open here. Let's get some of these out of here. We don't need all these. All right, so right now it just sets the animation integer. I'm thinking it might be nice to allow this to be done a little bit differently. So private goal use multiple use Boolean animators. Let's just actually we can just do this in a better way. How many? I think it's only used on. Let's just find out. Okay, so asset usage. Where is this actually used? Save scene. We only want to check in the asset folder. Go. Where is this used? Okay, chickens and lumber. That's the only place. So if I change this, it's okay. All right. Okay. That's not going to work. Oh, I've opened things. Okay. How can I do this? I think I might just make a separate one. Might be the easiest way. What should it be called? It's still an ammo animator though. So it doesn't really make sense. So let's try this a different way. So if we have we're going to have a separate one of these, or actually we might even have something a little more complicated. So if we do instead, oh gosh. Okay. Doesn't need to be public, does it? Private class. Okay, so we get this. We can say right. So we can say public animator, right? Public int ammo public bool so basically I want to say is this a type for using, well actually we'll just, okay, so we'll just assume anything in here is this. Okay, so that will still have a separate one, so we can use both of these. All right, let's do a tooltip to make this clear. I can type remaining. Okay, and then what we'll have here is an animator info array. Animators. Okay. Animators which will have charged. What have I set this to be? Charged. Okay, that makes sense. Charged bool parameter set based on remaining ammo weapon compared to ammo setting for the animator. Okay, so that's fine. And what we'll do is if animator is not equal null and, okay, we do actually do a check here. All right, so then we'll do for int I equals 0, I less than animator sub animators dot length plus I. Okay, what if I spelled this wrong? Probably. Oh, I spelled that wrong. That's a problem. All right. Some matter is 99 nulls in an press parameter of type charged type bool. Okay, sub animators I set integer, no, set bool. Why are you having an issue? Why? Why? Oh, okay. Oh, hold on. I see. Animator. Set pool. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Charged. And we'll say ammo greater than or equal to subanimator's I dot ammo. And we're going to do the same thing here. Okay. Right. Magic. That should work. Be flawless. Nothing can go wrong. Okay. It should work with what we had before. So, theoretically, that should be great. Let's see if I've got any errors. Doesn't look like it. Okay, so let's get up to our weapon. All right, so we're going to have nothing here. We're not going to have any animator in that slot. But these sub-animators, we're going to have a lot. So we're going to have 12 of them, actually. Okay. Can we just, let's make this simpler. Whoop. Okay, so chicken here, 1. Chicken, egg, 1. Chicken, 2. Egg, 2. Nope, not basket. Cancel. Oh, okay. What have I done? All right. Can we get these? These don't need to be here. This is just causing me trouble. Okay, we're on a chicken 2, which will be 3. Egg 2, which will be 3. Chicken 3, which will be 4. Egg 3, which will be 4. Chicken 4, which will be 5. Egg, no. Egg 4, which will be 5. Chicken 5, which will be 6. And egg 5, which will be 6. I didn't even check. Are these actually where I want them in the scene? Yes, Roy's laid them out in a not dumb way. Good. Fantastic. And are these eggs also laid out in that way? Looks like it. Let me just do that. It's a bit easier. Come on, mouse. Ugh. Troublesome. Okay, that's fine. So chickens are happy, mostly. Okay. Chickens. All right. So let's apply this before everything gets lost. Okay, so that should just work magically. Now these chickens animations, they should work. So now projectile by ammo. Now this won't be quite, I won't need it to be by ammo anymore. We just need weapon projectile. Okay. So if I go to, there's lumber, where's our chickens? Okay. So chicken projectile doesn't have projectile on it yet. Let's get rid of this for now. We'll do aimer. We'll do fire. No rotation. Okay. Apply. Now where's my chicken projectile? And let's take a look at one of the lumber projectiles. is super, super old, man. Okay, for now, we'll just add a projectile. And rigid body. And now we can go back to our weapon. We can add chicken projectile. All right. Starting ammo 6. Max ammo 6. Recharges every 4. Is that right? Whatever Roy said. Yep, 4. Cool. That's going to be similar. Okay.
I don't leave things out in a dumb way.
We don't need an actual recharge on this. Hmm?
I do not lay things out in a dumb way.
Well, you didn't, so it was good. Is the stream that far behind?
Yeah.
Oh my god. That was ages ago. Oh dear. All right. Sorry, I've been a bit quiet. That's because I ate food, now I'm happy and just kind of content and sitting here. I'm out of Dr. Pepper though. That's a crime. All right. Chickens. Great. You're fancy. You know what? This is really driving me mad. Chicken baskets. Can we just put the chickens in the baskets? Chickens. Eggs. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? In our case, it is the chicken because the chickens will be spawned at the beginning, and then there will be eggs. I'm so clever. I amaze myself. I don't care about these baskets. Okay. Now, let us see. All right, let's take a look at this chicken projectile because this has got to get some work done on it. Let's get the lumber out of here. So the projectile itself doesn't have sprite renderer on it. This is not needed. Okay. Rigid body, circle collider. That's not in the right spot. Let's remove. We can just move it, I suppose. So, no. It's just awful. Can we just, okay.
Confused about these pizzas.
Pizzas? Why are you confused about pizzas? I want pizza.
Because we have 2 for Tuesday, but also Dine for $9.99. And they're the exact same prices.
Hold on. What's the other one?
Dine for $9.99.
2 pizzas for $19.98. Well, 2 for Tuesday is different because it just means the pizzas, you get 2 for the price of 1. That's specifically, like, it might be different depending on, anyway, whatever. Pizza's information is very important, guys. Okay. Right. That's good enough. All right, so it's in the spot. All right, we got this audio source. Do I want this on here? I think it might be. I'll leave it for now. Wait, coal fling. Oh dear. Do not want that. Remove. Okay. Chicken flight AI. I'm going to leave that for now. It's going to maybe need to be changed to what it's called. Animator. What's this animator? Chicken animation. Is this yours, Roy? You probably have done this.
Mhm.
So chicken animation. It's just constant of it flapping. Alright, that's fine. Okay. That's cute. Yeah. And then we got projectile. So the flight AI is the thing that I'll need to check and make sure that's still doing what I want. Because I have a feeling, oh, use the weapon target module. Well, I must have updated this slightly at some point because that's weird that it uses that. You can just do target and it does that itself. It does. I thought I did that. Fantastic me. Okay. Anyway, sidetrack there. Okay, so I got my chicken. So we got this. This is just like the chicken sprite. Chicken particle systems. This is a projectile. Chickens projectile sprite. What is going on with that? Oh, now it's gonna be upset with me. Chickens projectile sprite. Sorry, animation. I didn't mean to make you upset. Test it. Still working. Okay, save. Right, alright, so that's fine. Where was I? Down here. Okay, particle system, that's fine. Okay, this will be called defense. Defense collider. And now we need a weapon. Target melee. Collider. Alright, so let's look down through here. So check mode, that should be fine. Target check mode, okay. Melee types. Can the chickens target projectiles like the mortar fire and stuff?
Yes.
Okay.
It could be like a flare. Backwards flare, actually.
This is a bad name. This should not be called detonating after firing. It should be called like detonate after action number. I'm not gonna fix it right now. But it would just be the lumber that needs to be fixed. Maybe I should fix it. That's a bad name. It's not right. The whole point of this weapon modules is that they don't need to be, is that they don't need to be specifically one action, like the weapon. It could be when it recharges, it could be various things. So it could detonate after recharged 5 times or something. So this is not good. Detonate after action, after num actions. And this will say num actions. Okay, and then what I'll need to do is go to lumber, projectiles, select all their weapons, and change that to 3. Okay. All right, so anyway, should be 1 for this one. Do we have audio for the chickens? Chicken hit. We do. Okay. Damage. No, we're not doing blunt. We're doing slashing. And we're not doing 30. How much damage are we doing? Roy wants to do 10 for now. And we can clear targets. It's not really necessary though. Remove that. Okay. Okay. So that's set up. So the only thing that we need to do, we do want audio. Well, we'll deal with that later. So we might want to have constant audio that this guy's making. Flapping. I'll add that to the list to make sure it doesn't get forgot. Okay. And that's pretty much that. So where are we on this list anyway? So we need to do this fire sequence. This recharging should be working. That's not been done. That's not been done. That's not been done. That's not been done. None of this has been done. Oh, just doing, oh, so much to do. Okay, so, but the projectile's pretty much set up now. So I'll apply there again and not worry about him for the moment. So now this weapon. So when we fire, we want to fire multiple times. How do I do this? All right. Probably a weapon action. So what I'm going to do is a fire sequence, and in this fire sequence, it's going to keep firing until it can't fire anymore. And then it will pardon me. And then it will stop and start recharging at that point. So All right, so what we'll have is number of fires, stop when cannot fire, true, number of fires 1. We'll change that. And that's pretty much it. So then down here, we'll need private weapon. So I think weapon action might have weapon already. I can get a hold of it, so I don't need to do this. Might need that in a minute, but let's see. So then maybe I want there to be a private. No. How do I do this? This is difficult. And then we'll say float time between firing. Okay. Number fired. Weapon dot fire. Private goal and firing sequence active equals false. Okay. Not firing sequence active. And this is actually weapon action, not defense action. It's a typo. It's a typo here as well. Okay. Private I enumerator. So what I'm going to do is start fire sequence. Okay, so this problem. Why is there a problem with this? Should exist in the current context. What's your issue? What have I done? Collections. Okay. Jeez. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I'm checking if the firing sequence is active. Okay. Start coroutine. Start fire sequence. Actually, don't like that. Let's rename that to just fire sequence. Okay. number fired plus I. So we'll actually do a wait first because we just fired once. So actually do -1. Okay, and first we're going to do, because we just already fired, yield return wait, new wait for seconds, time between firing, and then does this return? No. Let's return. Okay, so okay, so if we were able to fire, if we were not able to fire, then we break out of this for loop, otherwise we'll just continue. Right. So it'll try to fire X number of times. We'll put 6 in there. It'll try to fire all 6 of these guys. It'll only fire as many as ammo that we have, because fire will fail in that case, and it will stop its firing sequence at that point. That should do what we want, I hope. So now we need to check if we got any errors. Sure. Yeah, it's never assigned to, because I'll assign it in the editor. Look, I'll put it as 0 here. Does that make you not complain? Okay. Now if we go to this guy and we go sequence, so let's do weapon fire sequence on fire. You know, this may not be what we want. Because what if we're not firing it? So this may not be true. Let's just do number 5. We'll manually change that. We will wait first. That's just going to have to be ours. Okay, so we're going to fire 5 things. Time between firing. How fast does this need to go? Let's check. Get this out of here. Where are we? We're here. No, we're not. What am I doing? Ah! Okay, so why are these in here? I don't want those. Go away. One to 6 seconds over the course of 1 second. So Roy, hey, the fire rate for these chickens,
Yes.
should it be 1/6 of a second then?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's, what am I doing? 1/6 of a second. I'm not Googling this. What am I doing? All right, so that's what we're doing. We'll just put 6 there. That's fine. It should work. So, yeah. Homing behavior, fire sequence. Fire sequence should be done. I'm going to check it off, even though it obviously needs to be tested. I think recharge animation also should be done. Needs to be checked. The rest of these are all... So homing behavior is the only other actual thing. All right, guys, it's been 2 hours. I need to be done with this for now. So I'm going to wrap this up. I'm going to come back to this another time. And I want to say thank you, everybody, for watching the stream. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and follow me. We'll be posting these videos on YouTube, so you can catch up with them later if you didn't get to see the whole stream. And you can kind of see the growth of the game over time there. It's kind of the idea, document them as they go. Again, if you're in Dundee this week, we're going to be at DCon on Saturday. Should be great fun. And that's pretty much it. So I'll talk to you all later. I'm hoping to keep this stream time now, and hopefully I'll be on tomorrow, same time. So take care, everybody, and thanks for watching.